Okay, so today in today's video we're going to do something a little bit different. I have a ton of these little canvases, little canvas boards. I'm probably going to do about three of them. As you can see in the background there, I have a whole set of different colours. I still need to put mediums in it and stuff, but I want to ask you guys as well, and ladies, that how often do you think I should be uploading to the channel? Um, like every second day, every third day, like 2 videos a week or whatever, you know. Do I actually want to show you before we get into this as well? I got the mugs I was talking about in the last video, on Society 6 / Niall era. I'll leave a link down in the description as always. So you can buy like mugs and stuff like that. But I'll show you the mugs now. They come out really well. I really like how they came on. It took about, I think, 3 or 4 days. I think it came on the 4th day, which was pretty fast. It came from Netherlands. I know for Europe they come from the Netherlands, and for America they either come from Chicago or San Francisco. But let's jump into the video again. Right, so back into the video. I have a bunch of paints here that I'm just going to, like, I guess, go with the flow and see what I come up with on just a little small canvas board, sorry. Everything.